Let's talk about your contacts in the AI empires and go check out what we can do there. When you into the left side toolbar and we select contacts, you will be brought to this page. This is going to be your standard just contacts. Upload all of your contacts from sales before, anything marketing, any customer lists you've had. Upload them in bulk actions, and you can create tasks based on that person. But this is just going to be your general contact setup. How to add a new contact. You come in here to that top left and you click on add contact. Give them, you can upload their image, put their first, last name in, email, phone, contact type. Are they a lead? Are they a customer? Because you can work that into different automations depending on what type of contact it is. Time zone, and then do not disturb channels if they've requested, hey, I don't want to be text, but you can call me. You can set that up through here. Make sure you save the information when you get done creating a contact. Okay, it's going to have some required fields in there, but that's okay. You need them anyway. And then what you can do is you can organize them all in your contact list. You can send different emails or different texts depending on your outreach strategy. And that is the contacts in the AI empires. Make sure you get started today, upload your contacts, and start selling.